Welcome to Magic English for you.
Your best option.
Let's learn with Leonardo DiCaprio. Leonardo DiCaprio is a famous actor.
Leonardo DiCaprio is a famous actor.
He was born on November 11, 1974.
He was born on November 11, 1974.
He grew up in Los Angeles.
He grew up in Los Angeles.
DiCaprio started acting as a child.
DiCaprio started acting as a child.
His first major role was in What's Eating Gilbert Grape.
His first major role was in What's Eating Gilbert Grape.
He starred in Titanic, which made him a superstar.
He starred in Titanic, which made him a superstar.
Leonardo won an Oscar for The Revenant.
Leonardo won an Oscar for The Revenant.
He is known for his environmental activism.
He is known for his environmental activism.
DiCaprio founded the Leonardo DiCaprio Foundation.
DiCaprio founded the Leonardo DiCaprio Foundation.
He is passionate about climate change issues.
He is passionate about climate change issues.
Leonardo has worked with many famous directors.
Leonardo has worked with many famous directors.
He starred in Inception, a mind-bending thriller.
He starred in Inception, a mind-bending thriller.
DiCaprio collaborated with Martin Scorsese frequently.
DiCaprio collaborated with Martin Scorsese frequently.
He has a strong fan base around the world.
He has a strong fan base around the world.
Leonardo is also a producer.
Leonardo is also a producer.
He produced the documentary Before the Flood.
He produced the documentary Before the Flood.
He is known for his dedication to roles.
He is known for his dedication to roles.
DiCaprio often researches his characters deeply.
DiCaprio often researches his characters deeply.
He has received multiple awards for his performances.
He has received multiple awards for his performances.
Leonardo is a talented filmmaker.
Leonardo is a talented filmmaker.
He loves to travel and explore new places.
He loves to travel and explore new places.
DiCaprio enjoys spending time in nature.
DiCaprio enjoys spending time in nature.
He has a close friendship with Kate Winslet.
He has a close friendship with Kate Winslet.
Leonardo advocates for ocean conservation.
Leonardo advocates for ocean conservation.
He supports various charitable causes.
He supports various charitable causes.
DiCaprio is an avid art collector.
DiCaprio is an avid art collector.
He has worked with many non-profit organizations.
He has worked with many non-profit organizations.
Leonardo often speaks at environmental conferences.
Leonardo often speaks at environmental conferences.
He enjoys reading books on history and science.
He enjoys reading books on history and science.
DiCaprio has a passion for filmmaking.
DiCaprio has a passion for filmmaking.
He is known for his charisma on screen.
He is known for his charisma on screen.
Leonardo is also a talented voice actor.
Leonardo is also a talented voice actor.
He lent his voice to the 11th hour.
He lent his voice to the 11th hour.
DiCaprio has a love for vintage cars.
DiCaprio has a love for vintage cars.
He enjoys spending time with friends.
He enjoys spending time with friends.
Leonardo has a pet dog named Jack.
Leonardo has a pet dog named Jack.
He often promotes sustainable living.
He often promotes sustainable living.
DiCaprio is a dedicated philanthropist.
DiCaprio is a dedicated philanthropist.
He has been involved in wildlife protection.
He has been involved in wildlife protection.
Leonardo loves to cook in his free time.
Leonardo loves to cook in his free time.
He enjoys watching classic films.
He enjoys watching classic films.
DiCaprio has a keen interest in history.
DiCaprio has a keen interest in history.
He is often seen at film festivals.
He is often seen at film festivals.
Leonardo has a unique style on the red carpet.
Leonardo has a unique style on the red carpet.
He values his privacy.
He values his privacy.
DiCaprio is a mentor for young filmmakers.
DiCaprio is a mentor for young filmmakers.
He has starred in both dramas and comedies.
He has starred in both dramas and comedies.
Leonardo is known for his intense performances.
Leonardo is known for his intense performances.
He continues to take on challenging roles.
He continues to take on challenging roles.
DiCaprio is an inspiration to many.
DiCaprio is an inspiration to many. Thanks for watching.